Alright, so this video is a little bit about zeroing things out on the table and how you make the table work for you. Now, as you can tell, there are no homes or limits or switches on this thing outside of the vertical limit switch that detects the height of the material. That's the only limit switch that we have here. So there's not going to be any point where you actually hit home and it actually goes back to the same 0, 0 coordinate at the bottom corner. Our table isn't designed for that. Rather, we actually create our zeros at wherever we need our part on this sheet. So, this particular file here was one file, one G code. He set his 0, 0 down here. It cut out the entire part. Then he had another series of parts that looks like they were paired up. So he did his, this is one sheet cam file here, and this is that same sheet cam file duplicated, but he recentered his 0 here, recentered his 0 here in order to make these two separate cuts. Brought in his other file into sheet cam, and then cut this one out here, 0 there, and cut out his entire sheet. And all you do to zero it out is you move your head to that position. So I'm just going to go ahead and manually bring it in. So we're going to manually bring our head. I'm going to bring it down here, and let's say I wanted to cut out another shape similar to the one that I had here. It's already loaded into my Mach 3, and I just wanted to duplicate this part. All I would do is I would go into here, I would actually zero out my x's, X, Y, and Z. I'd hit Regen Toolpath, and then I'll go ahead and hit Cycle Start, and from that point it'll actually cut a duplicate of what we just had cut previously over here, now next to it. So that should be a simple operation of recentering your 0, regenning your toolpath, and then hitting Cycle Start, and you're able to repeat parts like that.